the Creality Ender3 V2 3D printer. I purchased one from Bangood last year in like September. It turned out to be a lemon. We had a lot of problems with it, and I had a big problem getting it any kind of warranty or anything from Bangood. Maybe you've seen some of their previous videos, you know, try this, try this, try this, try this, and it was a bad mainboard. All I want them to do is send me another mainboard. We would have been good. I did find out later on it had other problems, including a bad power supply. But now, here's the funny part. I sent them the mainboard and the extruder assembly, as they requested, and they paid for the shipping to China. And I sent that on November 16th of 2020. Today is May 28th of 2021. And I did get my credit. I did get the money back for the postage on this. So we're all good there. I got it back. And it's unopened. So now, go figure. Just a little quick update on the Ender3 V2 lemon printer and my adventure with Bangood. I just find this extremely strange. Maybe they didn't want to have to pay the VAT tax or duty tax or whatever on it, but still got the customs forms in it. Contents are still in there. I haven't opened it up yet. Maybe I'll do that. Grab a knife here. And it is there just as I sent it. Mainboard and extruder parts. Of course, the mainboard isn't any good. It's bad, but the extruder parts I'll save for one of my other 3D printers. But yeah, whatever, I guess. Just wanted to throw this little update out there. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.